Hello everyone. Before calling HVAC technician for furnace issues, there are a few simple things you can check yourself. Please note that these suggestions do not involve taking apart your furnace or tampering with gas or electrical parts. Number one, check the thermostat. In many cases, furnace problem can actually be caused by issue with the thermostat. Make sure the thermostat is on and is set to heat. If it's battery-operated thermostat, ensure it has a fresh battery. If the heat icon is blinking after doing so, wait until it stops before proceeding. In some cases, it can take up to 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the programming for the icon to stop blinking. Number two, check the furnace switch. Many furnaces have a dedicated service or safety switch, which looks like a typical light switch, and it's usually labeled. Look around the furnace for the switch and see if it has been turned off by accident. If it has, turn it back on and wait a few minutes to see if the furnace comes back on. Keep in mind that some furnaces may not have dedicated furnace switches. It depends on how it's been wired or installed. Number three, check the main breaker. If a breaker has tripped, it could be causing your furnace issues. Check your breaker box for any trip breakers. If you find a trip furnace breaker, I suggest do not turn it back on and instead call a professional to investigate the cause of it. Breakers are safety devices and they trip when there is a problem with the equipment or wiring. Number four, check your furnace filter. Proper airflow is essential to your furnace to operate at its optimum efficiency. Filter problem can restrict airflow in the furnace and potentially makes it seem like it's producing less heat. It can also cause the furnace to overheat and shut off. Number five, check your heat registers. Airflow problems can also be caused by closing or blocking too many registers. Make sure your registers are open and that your return air vent are not blocked. Number six, check the exhaust pipe. Gas furnaces have vents that release their exhaust outside. If this vent becomes blocked, it can impact the furnace and create safety hazard. Now, if you're not comfortable or unable to complete these checks, or if they do not resolve your furnace issues, please give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to come and help you out. Thanks for watching.